guys, today we're gonna make a vending machine and it's gonna look like this, but you know, I'm making it natural and very wonderful colors and nature, you know. So it's gonna be colorful, just like this, okay? Everything's colorful. So first, we'll need 4x4. And then, so now get your flat 2x4, flat one, and put it over here. So you have something like this. Now, get a flat 1x4, put it here. Till you have something just like this. Now get a flat 1x2, this, put it over here. Nice, right? Then get a 1x3, it's flat, just like the others, and put it like this. Now, get something like this. It's like 1x1 but has a slide. That 2x2 but not a dot like this. Like that. And put it over here. Yep, over here. Now get a slide 1x1 like this. Put it at top over here. Now get a 2x4 just like this. Put it at top of the flat 4x4 like this. Something like this. And now get a big 4x4 like this. Then put it in place of the flat 4x4 and have something like this. Now you get a 1x1 just like this, and leave behind and put it the back like this. See? Like this. Now you should get a 3x3 size of this and put it over at top of the big 2x4. Just put 2x3 here on top of it, and take a 1x4 just like this. Then you should probably cross it like this. And you have something like this. Show each side. I don't have to see the bottom. Now you should get a 1x3. 1x3. Put it right over here. Now get a 1x4 and put it right over here. So you're gonna have something like this. See? Okay, so we had this part. We put the 1x4 on top of here. Now it will look like this. See? This is where all the food are gonna come out. See, it's connected to the top. Let me show you that. See? Now, we're gonna get two 2x2s. Stack them at each other, at top of each other, like this. See? And put it here. Squeeze it. Something like this. See? Now we're gonna get two 1x1s, and stack them up at each other. Stack them at top of each other like this. Put it here like this. If it's the same size, that means it's correct. A 3x1. Put it here. The 3x1 here. Out front of the two 1x1s. Something like this. See? Now we are going to get another 1x3. Put it here. See? Put it here. Now we're gonna get. This time, this part is pretty hard, so make sure you pay attention by like this shape. Like this shape, okay? Then get a flat 1x2. Put it like this. See? Then put a 1x4. Put it like this. And get your vending machine. See if it fits. Yes, it does. But you need to put something still. Now, put get a 1x1 like this. And put it here at top of that bended 1x3 here. See? Something like this. Now put it on our vending machine. It fits. Yes, it fits perfectly. But now you have to get a flat 1x2. Put it over here. See? Over here. In the vending machine. Now, get another one and put it here at top of the vending machine. Like at front of this one. Here. Now, test this one more time. See if it went any better. Now it's slipping. That's better. Okay. Now you should get. So get a 2x4, a 2x2. Put it over here. But before you put it, hold on. Put this before you put it because it's gonna be holding it together. Or you can do whatever you want. You can take it out or you can keep it in. Now take another 2x4, put it here. This is going to be the money place, see? This is our 2x4. Now, you should get a 2x1, put it here. Get another, now get a 3x1, put it here. Now put a 2x1 and put it here. Now when you put your money, this part will open and your bottle will go through. Then your money will go back out. Okay, so now to make it a flat surface, you need to get a flat 1x4 and put it here. And another flat 1x4 and put it here. Now get one of these slide things, put it here. Get 4x1, put it here. Now get your flat 1x2 and put it here. You'll have something like this. Okay. Now and then get your bottle, the Coke or water or anything, and from this small part, put the small part bottom because it might stick the big part. Put it like this. Now you get your $100. See? Or you can just get a flat 2x1, I'm sorry, just like this, and just put it through the money hole if you don't have any Lego dollars, Lego $100. So, and then you get your dollar, see? Get your dollar, and put it in here, over here, in this money hole. Put it here. Then when you push it, so when your bottle gets stuck like this, it might be because your bottle top, make sure it has the small place, and put the small place at the bottom, the small circle. Then when you put your dollar, it booms out. It might go so fast, so you might want to catch it quickly. Okay, like this, and ta-da, you've got your bottle. And then you can get your dollar out, and then you can still have your bottle. So this is how it works. It works. This is the mechanism, see? So, this, when we cover it like this, it makes a square, just like this. A square just like this. Little square there. You can't see in the camera. And it holds the bottom in place when you hold the. I hope you liked my video of how to build a vending machine. Bye.